And the Cricket West Indies Women's Super 50 continues with round 3 on Saturday. Jamaica will go head-to-head with the Leeward Islands. Now, there were high praises from stakeholders regarding this year's staging of the GC Foster College Health Fair and Career Expo. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
Several schools from across the island were represented by student athletes and teachers at the GC Foster College Health Fair and Career Expo, which had its third staging on the college campus on Wednesday. Caroni Gregory was the event coordinator.
Our aim is to ensure we continue to collaborate with the students, stakeholders, and the wider community to ensure that GC Foster College become the known institution for its greatness. Last year we had over 35 institutions, and today I can guarantee that I'm seeing more than 40. So we have over 30 exhibitors, and they are on spot providing information. We have educational institutions, so it's a one-stop shop for a variety of information activities.
Cedric Titus High School from Trelawney had students attending the event for the first time.
Feedback getting from the students, they loved the opportunity that they could register for GC Foster for the coming year. Also, they found it very informative because I realized I went over by JADCO to get some information. They were in tune with the first aid that was happening there. So, yes, they found it very informative.
The day's program also featured 3 panel discussions, 2 focusing on whether Jamaica's junior athletes are making a successful transition to the senior level across various sports, and the other featuring current student athletes from various high schools discussing the importance of striking a balance between academics and sporting activities. Jason Henry, a lecturer at GC Foster College, and June Thompson, former principal of Rossies High School, were among the panelists looking at how junior athletes are transitioning to the higher level.
It has to be a holistic approach between different federations and the government, and also with ISA, because I think ISA is one of our biggest youth development, and it becomes now a win at all costs at times. So now we need the federation and the government to step in, to take out our best talents and see if we can put them in one place and nurture them for the future. Even if it's not an academy, you would want to have them coming into a structural environment at least 1-2 times a week. So you're getting reps with these elite youths.
I think what we're really missing is that the follow-up, in that the students are sometimes not motivated at home, and their parents do not know the value of them transitioning, going into another higher level of it. And so the parents have to be made to buy into it so that they can be guided from home and not frustrated. And then when with the transition, some people are thrown in the deep end. Nobody to guide them.
Monroe College student Tyshawn Casey was among the participants on the junior panel.
I believe there is a great opportunity to develop oneself, both in public speaking and also the social aspect of meeting other athletes. And I believe it was very beneficial.
Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.